Habakani windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tipis na meh mga. Miya ka meh was na.
Be, kabiang ta.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel dan hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang kathong kajongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Presiden jangka United Democratic Party uba menbaling do haka arpu arterek ujemang arja arpun rio ulong baka don kam Shwa ya kiseng Riewlum ban Ïatylli khanang ban dubla ban Ïada ya ka Meghalaya na ka Jingshah Klun haki seng sign perthai ki bahe haka jing ekren bat kilat pathai khubor uba menbaling do ulong ba kiseng perthai na rithor ki pejbet tang ya ka jing mentoi la jong haka ri hanrai na ka benta kiseng Riewlum ki bu Shwa ya ka judgment rio hakaman.
No, see, emergence of any political party is always there. Earlier, there's Congress, then later on came TMC, and so on. So now BJP, they've been there with 2 MLAs. They've been there already in the past also for a couple of years now. And they have every right to come and seek the support from the people of the state. So I feel for us as a regional party, that's why we keep on hammering on the platform of unity, the platform of coming together, the platform of having an alliance among the regional parties, which I have been stressing from time to time, inviting other regional parties and to come, come forward and be in the same platform like we have now the RTA between the UDP and HHP. Because that is what the people of the state also look at. Because when you look by population, I think it is a matter of concern for us. And we have to be serious about it. And just playing politics for the sake of playing, I think it will be not good. I'm not saying anything bad about the national party, because national party have to look at the national interest. But for us as a regional parties, we first of all, what comes first is the people of our state, the people of our region. So that is a priority for us. So on that ground, we keep on moving ahead, and there are a lot of issues which are coming up. The more you call, the more the political parties emerging from time to time. And so we first have to unite, rather than talking, about too much about the national party. See, I will not say that other parties are poaching. That should not be encouraged at all, no doubt about it. But I believe it is up to the individual, the member of the house, who has to decide. So I leave it there on. I feel good that if people scrutinize my leadership, that is the best way for me to improve my leadership. And let me say here that any leader should always ensure that he keeps on listening more rather than talking too much. So because with that you learn a lot of things. You updated yourself also with whatever it is, and then you will be able to act accordingly. So inputs, feedback, suggestions, and all everywhere, including scrutiny, as you said, that is also part of how you grow. Not only in political party or as a leader, but in life, it is very, very much needed.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. we share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.